Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kanlong kasin Nyngkong bekerja Meghalaya kan saki kirinsan pin iriam ke tip kom ka Eastern India Couture Fashion Week. Bat gajing pun kere kalong ka behe ha ka bakin donru ki designer ki choreographer bapau nam na keling ka thansha te lamingi bekin thop Ritik Sharma Tamuli berupranjit Chitya. Urijol Islam ubalong president ulayat ho bakajing thumu bala penlong ya kene ka fashion show kalong banjir ya kinong ya shimbenta ki ban mi khmat ya ka jela jonga thansha te lamingi ha ka national fashion show bat ban pin iru ya karyam tanra jonga jela Meghalaya ha ka ni ka rensan. Chief Executive Officer joka Eastern India Couture Fashion Show Brian Ki Sangma ula pentim baya ka ni ka rensan on sa penlong ha ka khatnre bat khanyo uno pra araja apulai ha vivanta shilong bakin don kumba arpusan ngut ki designer ki beneshim benta ha ka ni ka sngi ha ka ba omdon kam satya ban siu ya ka bairong bat na ka benta ka jing penrong kerteng ki designer ki la ban wa jing tip khambnya ling ba u number khandai lai khandai san iwe pra san sao khandai lai kajing thmu ba penlong ya ka ni ka rensan pin iriam kalong ban plela ya ki model ki bidang shoes dang bandrung sha fashion industry.
Different designer show. If you are not ready, if you are not serious, you cannot. And you have to cross him or her. Do you know how to cross? Do you know? Who knows? Hands up. Hands up. Come. I will see that thing. Come. Come, you know how to, you told me how you walk. Let's start, okay? Come.
Hello everyone, I am Rizaul Islam, President of Fashion and Entertainment. We are organizing a show, Eastern India Couture Fashion Week. I am sorry but our director is not here today, Director of Fashion and Entertainment, Mr. Faizan Solanki is not here today. But we have taken an initiative to actually not groom but give an workshop to the models of Meghalaya so that they can learn actually what is Fashion Week. So I also want to introduce our CEO of the show who was appointed yesterday as a CEO, Mr. Brian K. Sangma, it's him, and obviously the Vice President of the show, Kate Lingdo Maulia. So in our show, what is all about the show? We are planning to represent the Meghalaya to the Northeast region and to the nation. So in this show, we are inviting influencers also, bloggers also, and obviously news channel Batesi is supporting us a lot. Again, like the designers like Kaushik, Kiran Boro, Jerina Laskar, Ralph, Daun Shisa Riaj, Aina FD, they are working with us from the Northeast region. So we are welcome with more designers. Obviously, this is really where we welcome with you with a great heart. And again, like the best choreographers of Northeast, Mr. Ritik Sharma Tamuli and Pranjit Chitya is going to choreograph the whole show. So we are planning for a big show, obviously. And again, for the stylist, we have kept Hasim Ali, who is well known in Northeast as well as in a national region. So we are organizing this show just to represent Meghalaya in the Northeast region and also the Northeast region to the national region. So this is our concept. We have a very good vision. We are working forward for it, and obviously Brian, he is supporting us a lot. Being a CEO, he has given his best, and as of now also he is giving his best. So we are like working together.
Ada Brandon Sun, co-team member jong kanika fashion entertainment. Tingi ko ang bangi focus pa ki models badina Shillong itself. Mo bangi focus ka bara Northeast. Tingi shim show ki models badina Meghalaya. Bangin ai lai ki ben Q show.
The main motive of the show is we are like giving a chance to all the sizes of models. We are not keeping any like partialities and all. And the main tagline of the show is the fashion for all. That is, we believe that everybody deserves fashion. सब लोग अपने life का fashion ही है. So we are putting this into front and hoping for the best show. And obviously support is needed from all the ends. And thank you that much.
Kubli mengadi kit Nyngkong, but lingba kan show aku aban kentu ya ki designer ro makin wan shim part mo akan fashion show ka jongi namar kani ramdi tang nam taki models but also kadi nam taki designer ki prepare jong kadi kasi ka jongi tinga kentu ya ki designer ki ban wan but ban shim betah kani ka show ka jongi Kubli shibun
Aku mau brand ke sama. Anga ye program ku nambah tahun orang nak cincin ya. Jadi aku di ye program nu. Pagpatan acuk miskang bedonga model strong. Misum ada nengi talent ku misok nama nanti. Yes program mu misok nama lagi. Pagpatan kalau hills tu donga alu Meghalaya bedonga. हर जगह असम में भी है मेघालय में भी है जो अपना टैलेंट दिखा सकेगा तो मैं ये प्रोग्राम इसलिए शो कर रहा हूँ निंगमन ये प्रोग्राम को आंगा नंबर टाउन राउंड आरो फंगना बसी या प्रोग्राम को फैशन डिजाइनर को आंगा फंगना बसी आंगा चुतन कागेन आरो को नंबर टाउन राउंड चुतन कागेन आरो आचंगा आचक मिचराना नंबर टाउन आरो याको फंगना नंगा नामा मुक्सोना राउंड चुतन कागेन मथेला
Thank you for giving us this opportunity platform. Thank you. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
Kubli shibun nari kemeja ni Emilia te Nyngkong eng ya kubli isa bapnya ya kanika show mo kamtam hani hapo Meghalaya jungi pat judan ri kanika ramwa te ni songo ye isa ba kanika kini members barokai bapnya ya kanika program mo beki aila iki kunjungi ro bakin dan ha kanika platform bakin ya chakma bakin pin iya ka lala ka jom ka talent te mdiri tangi ka puli puthi mo khamta mi ki activities ro ni dan kami ha kanika Meghalaya jungi mo te ni ai ni songo shibun ba mo khamta mi ki khnari bakin kinlong kinshulur mo ha kanika activities ro kana ka activities ro kalong kita mo tamba khamta mi kanika fashion kami dunahi ngai i ha kanika Meghalaya jungi mo khamtam lingba ki khonjungi ro kin inspire barok ki long kami ba ki khana pumju mo kubli shibu
mga kami jung icham Rihan lang suchang nga comment ba kila I first time ya kanika show badan kanika shillong jing kon chudon hira mana ro tingi comment mo at least bakila nya ya kani ki khon rukin kham shulur nama pa judan re khnam ba ki kimi ki par shulur ki khon
Nadi kami jadi ibang ai dakal ai kubli kinong punya jangan ka show fashion ba ikun jibi yo ben shimenta ni ka fashion
di fi baro ngadi jaraka khakrang mat ngadi na pa umyam Nyngkong aku apan ai kublai ki organizer ki bla organize ya kanika show berkum joro ya ki sponsors ki bla penbit penbiang ya kanika program de aku apan ong ba ngaku apan kentu mai ki khna samla ki badan kasap ka phang akum kini ki jad te ba phinnum buri ki sap ki phang namar kani ka long ka ka ba ai men sim pi let's see la ki de ki competition ro onum khen ka jingjob ni ka jingram ma because Nyngkong late kan di ka stitching ka ban penslur pi ber ka ban ai men sim pi te tangki ni kubli shibun
Hello, my name is Angelina Jackson. I'm a model from Meghalaya and I'm really grateful to this platform for providing me with this beautiful opportunity where I can learn and learn so many new experiences and gain more knowledge about this field. Thank you. Hello, my name is Meghalaya, one of the model for Eastern India Couture Fashion Week, and I'm very thankful for the opportunity that they are given for us to work with finest designers and choreographers from all over the Northeast, and I'm thankful for this opportunity.
Hello ro kabar tu jong atok ka Risha sayo teman lek kam kawi ka model jong kanika Eastern India Culture Fashion Week ko do man hak kan ru na tare te kwa au ro pi wan pi hak ta sini we ya chong chit lang ni te kwa au e kuble ya ki organization da di ki sama wa de e ki i lat ulai ki man lek kam ching ku we dai ta dan hi kuble chu
ting job lang khal kuma ngadi na po shillongi te ko ban ai kuble ka East India Couture Fashion Show ba long ya kani hapo Meghalaya ban kentir ki एक subject ki kena ki ba participate kami ke show te nga ko ban I play ru ye Sir Brian ki sangmai ba de CEO jong kani ka East India Couture Fashion Show ba ila don ka lang bani ban menyerap ini.
हाय मेघालय, मेरा नाम मयूरी है और मैं भी एक शिलोंग की मॉडल हूँ। मैं आज ईस्टर्न इंडिया कॉटूर फैशन वीक में एक रनवे शो करने जा रही हूँ और मैं हमारे सीईओ जो ब्राइन के सांगमा सर है उनको थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने हमें इतना अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया और हमारे जो टीम मेंबर्स हैं मैं उनको भी थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ कि वो हमें इतना आगे पहुँचाने के लिए हेल्प करें। थैंक यू।
Hello Meghalaya, my name is Nia Hajung. I'm the one of the model from Shillong. I would like to thank Eastern India Couture Fashion Week and also Brian K. Sangma for making this possible for us and giving us an opportunity and helping us grow as an individual. Thank you everyone and love you all.